NMAX Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for tomorrow. Watch this 2-minute video up till the end to find out. Look, man, I'm the only guy in the space with 49,000 live trades and analysis videos. Here's what's working for me. And with all this data, you know, that I've done and all this trial and error over those last 5.5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And it's just documented on my YouTube channel, right? So, NMAX, which again, doesn't go to show that you should listen to me. Please do due diligence. This is just for educational purposes only. But ultimately, I'm definitely looking to just double down on this long side, because you can see it's clearly looking to sort of start putting in some effort. I'm not talking like anything long-term or just crazy swing. I'm just talking about like the short-term freaking price action that I'm seeing. So how that would look like, it's actually pretty simple. I'm talking like something like yeah. Even if I go to the 5-minute chart, this is just a pure choppy price action. So, I mean, possibly if I see something along these lines, that would be solid, but still very unrealistic. That's at least how NMAX is looking like for me right now. Obviously not financial advice, but if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye-bye.